Hey everyone, my name is Jessica, and in this video, let's explore 3 reasons why you should be using Microsoft Edge as your web browser. The first reason is the PDF editing feature. Microsoft Edge makes it so easy for me to fill in any PDF via the web browser. Right up here, you'll notice I have a text box. If I select the text box, I am writing my name. Once I have my text, if I would prefer this to be black, I can go ahead and highlight that. You can also draw and sign. If you want black, you could change the thickness of it there, and you could sign the PDF right on your web browser. When you're done, you can either print it up here on the right-hand side or save it to your computer to be able to send it off. The second cool feature of Microsoft Edge as a web browser is the ability to create QR codes. In order to create QR codes from websites, right-click on your page and then select Create QR Code for this page. You'll then be given a custom QR code for this web page. I can either download it as an image file or go ahead and just copy it to my clipboard. I'll go ahead and do both. And now I'm ready to share it out on my advertisement. So if anyone scans, they'll be automatically redirected to Being Classy's website. The third cool feature of Microsoft Edge is the ability to organize tabs. Now, I'm a type of person who tends to get a lot of tabs open at once. You can call me a multitasker or multi-tabber. On the left-hand side on your horizontal tabs here, you can go ahead and organize these how you'd like. So go ahead and select the Tab Actions menu, and then you'll be given a lot of different options. You can turn on vertical tabs, which will allow your tabs to be located on the left. If you tend to have so many browsers open, you can't even find the one you're looking for, you can easily search for the tab. You can also group similar tabs together. As you can see from this button, there are a bunch of different ways that you can organize your tabs in Microsoft Edge. There's a really cool feature called Microsoft Edge Workspace, and we can explore that in a different tutorial. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll catch you in the next one.